Need to change your branding? I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So let's start here on the dashboard, and from the left side menu, we're gonna look for our studio. Now from the studio, let's click on studio. We're going to look for branding. And then voila, under branding, you'll be able to see all your app images. You can remove the image and you can add a new image if you like and just click on submit. For the email assets, same thing. And for the website assets, same thing. What's really cool about this page is that it gives you the perfect size to use as well. For more CityHive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.